So hello everyone, hello ma'am. We are here with alongside my group members like Shreyank and me and Ashish. Only three of us. Unfortunately, we are here to give a presentation on Oyo. So what is Oyo basically? Oyo is a restaurant chain. Restaurant chain. I'm saying sorry. Hotel is Oyo is a hotel chain which came into existence in 2013. Okay. So it was introduced by Ritesh Agrawal, who is an Indian entrepreneur, and he is the you can say the founder or CEO of Oyo. Okay, so he is currently you can say one of the richest billionaire, or he was the teen billionaire when he is the richest youngest billionaire in India. So he basically was a college dropout, but he always had a vision. He always used to love travel. He used to love travel from different cities to cities and various other places. So what he observed while he was traveling, that there were facilities, there were hotels, rooms, but according to him, the facilities or the things which were provided to him, that was he seemed something innovative which he could do in that sector. So he always used to do research and studies for that. And can you go to next slide, bro? Brother, sorry. So about his journey, when Ritesh was just 7 years old, 7 years old, he started traveling to many places in India, but he was not much satisfied with this. So he decided to have a hotel business from for himself. So what is Oyo? Oyo basically is it started from Oravel, which is a platform that create list of hotels. Earlier they used to provide only the list of hotels which the normal people can they can see which are hotels are available in their locality or the ratings and reviews of the hotels. But later in 2013 they changed the name from Oravel to Oyo Rooms and Homes, and which in current days you could say is the best and the cheapest which you can get for any place anytime. Next slide, please. These all are the basic, like the Oyo. It's spread over 800 cities in 80 countries, and it is across 1,30,000 homes, which are tied up with Oyo homes. And it's like you can say in 2013, it does not have seen a much market in 7 years, but yeah, it's still growing on a good rapid pace. Next slide. Next slide, please. So now I would like to call Shreyank to explain about the business modules of the OYO.
Thank you so much, Animesh, for the wonderful introduction. And now I'll tell you, ma'am, about the business model which Oyo earlier used.
Shreyank, wait. Animesh and Ashish, kindly mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
When some other person is speaking, you have to mute. Otherwise, the voice will echo for to be. Okay, Ashish, mute yourself, beta. Don't stop presenting, Ashish. Yeah, good. Be now, yes, good. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Continue, beta.
Okay, ma'am. So thank you so much, Animesh, for the wonderful introduction about Oyo. And now I tell you, ma'am, about the business model which Oyo used in earlier, like Oyo used aggregated business model, and SMS that used by Uber and Ola. And Oyo earlier strategy was to book some rooms of the hotels inventories, and basically they book hotel rooms only for to remunerate them and then resell it to the customers. And for that, Oyo get a heavy discount from the hotel owners, and they book rooms in advance for at least 1 year or like a whole year. And then they also customize it and book it from the room from the Oyo website also, and give discount to the customers. And the benefit to customer was that get a good discount, and the benefit for the hotel is that they got uh, bulk booking in advance. So they are the business model which used by Oyo, and there are some problem faced by Oyo in this model is like high cash burn rate. In this, ma'am, I can tell you that by booking in advance in a hotel room for a year is very costly, and it's very expensive for the OYO to book a room for a year. And second is standardization. Hello. Yeah, standardization. Yeah. So one of the major issue of standardization which we faced by OYO, since the company was dealing with non-branded hotels and the level of professionalism was very low. And because the hotel was not good as much the Oyo thinks, and they booked their hotels and they renovated the rooms, but they don't renovated the hotels and the other things. So what the Oyo wants from customer satisfaction is not as proper as they want to give. Then next is competition. Oyo is the market leader, and it's true that the leader defined the path. So Oyo has opened the way to path for the competitors to work in this market. And the next is malpractices. Yeah. So in mail practices, who are the hotels owner? Actually, in this, there's a major issues like the fake booking. And in this, the hotel owners used to book their own hotels room when they used to see lower price. And it's, I think, and it's very bad for the OYO to solve this problem. Okay, and after this, ma'am, the new business model which I told you about is full stake asset leasing and franchising model. In this model, ma'am, the business model of Oyo Room is fully stake and franchises business. In this, the company doesn't lease the hotel room anymore, but now it asks to hotel partners to operate them. And the founder of Oyo decided to shift its business model to pure franchise business model. And they have partnered with the hotel and made them work with them under the same their name. For example, ma'am, I tell you, if I want to book a hotel in near airport, so if I go to the website of Oyo and search there, the rooms are available and at heavy discount. But if I search that hotel in Google, so there is another name. So they take their hotels in the under their names. Okay, ma'am. And after that, in this also, they are also facing some problems like Oyo. If Oyo, uh, uh, please change the slide. Yeah, by controlling everything, improve the customer experience, but is very difficult, capital intensive. Oyo difficult to find the good staff in market. So for that, they set up Oyo Skills Institutes. Currently, Oyo set up a 25 plus skills institute, and we are already 10,000 youngsters already trained. So this process of signing a franchising agreement is also very low for technology to process. And in this, ma'am, I think Oyo has the better technology and use the technology and data to improve his efficiency in the market. And for that, they have also renovated the renovation of rooms and occupancy rate. But in this all, Oyo new model is successful. For that, sir, in this model, ma'am, quality जो hotels की है वो ज़्यादा है. Quality rooms, quality hotels quality is very good, and advance payment to hotels owners, brand selling, AMP, standardized service like that. And then my friend. Up to you, Animesh. Next, up to you.
Kindly unmute Animesh. Unmute yourself.
Sorry, ma'am. So now I'm going to tell you something trending about Oyo. Like, what are the basic some decisions which are taken by Oyo? Like, Oyo just started investing in hospitality. Earlier, Oyo what used to do this? As I mentioned earlier, they only used to give reviews or the options to book a hotel or the rating reviews and various other places where or hotels are available. Now, Oyo has been transferred into hospitality. Like 500 crores of investment has been done in Uttarakhand recently. Not recently, many years ago. Like they are more towards hospitality. Like what Go Ibibo and Make My Trip are doing, they are planning. They are doing from last few years that they are giving all sorts of platforms for the customers. Like if they want to book ticket, they can book tickets for all that things from that side. Like same wise, Oyo is also planning in future to do that things, so that one app becomes very easy for the customers to do all their things in that. So Oyo is more towards in hospitality, and Oyo is also aiming to be the world's largest hotel chain in 2023. Ma'am, what makes Oyo different from others? Like Oyo rooms, they provide the best quality rooms, like at lower prices, at affordable prices to the customers, which makes them a market factor. like which makes them an X factor from the market. Like other rooms would also be provided by Go Ibibo and those are other stuffs. But Oyo does what? Oyo gives the customers the best room at affordable prices. And earlier, what Oyo used to do, they used to give advance payments to the owners, the hotel owners. No other sites in comparison to Oyo, they did advance payment to owners. They used to give approx 4 lakhs or 40,000 as per the room prices in the city. They used to give them the advance payment. That also makes like Oyo. What other thing does is like Oyo sells its own brand. Like if there is a hotel in some of the city, a smaller city, where Oyo is just now launched. Okay, and if someone comes from outer state or outer city and they look for hotels, they does not type for hotels, they type for Oyo. So the thing what Oyo does is it brings its own brand with the hotels, which helps the hotel to get itself monetized, and Oyo makes its own profit. Okay, so now some features of Oyo rooms I would like to tell that as I mentioned earlier, it's very affordable, and the best feature Oyo is like you can say the most five things which Oyo tells that promises Oyo, in which it comes one of the promises like bed and breakfast. It's one of its promise that Oyo will provide breakfast on every Oyo you can get breakfast. So these are one of the features of Oyo room. You can always get the Oyo rooms as clean as possible. The linen would be the purest one, or the you could say the cleanest linen. And you will always get TVs and Wi-Fi's in every Oyo. And Oyo rooms are also, you can say, at a strategic locations. Like it is always easy to find a Oyo near a airport or a hospital or railway stations or the you can say commercial places. And connectivity, like as I mentioned, Wi-Fi's and televisions, they are provided in every Oyo, as it is mandatory for Oyo, as they have promised to the customers that these all things would be provided as from our side. So these are some of the features which Oyo provides, and some I would like to tell you some financials and metrics about Oyo. So, Ashish, can you please change the slides, brother, to financials and metrics? Okay. So, what Oyo has done, Oyo, the total funding for Oyo till now is $3.26 billion. Okay. So, this is the funding. The major funder for Oyo is the bank, SoftBank. The major funder for Oyo is SoftBank. And I guess
Nimesh,
yes, ma'am.
market valuation 2019.
Yes, ma'am.
When
2000,
is the
yeah,
case
again,
written? September
2018.
20, 2018.
18.
Out of context. Please move forward.
Sorry, ma'am. So, ma'am, that is it. I am having the
This is
current
also
status
out
of
of
2019.
context.
Yes, ma'am. 2019,
Yes,
I'm having.
please.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah.
So now I would like Ashish to tell or carry forward the presentation.
Now I will tell you about Oyo growth and future potentials. At present, Oyo has over 13,000 franchised and leased hotel and over 450,000 rooms, adding over 64,000 rooms every month globally. The firm has changed from aggregator model to own inventories through the franchisee or lease operation models. In China, a traditional strong market for corporates, Oyo revenue is lower despite having a higher inventories of about 1.8 lakh rooms in that country. Oyo has active presence in 7 countries and is planning to expand to at least 15 countries with a focus on Asian nations.
Out of context.
Oh.
Entire thing is out of context. No, we will not discuss on this slide. Go forward.
हम ये भी फिर current scenario भी out of context.
Like out of context. ये जो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है तुम बच्चे लोगों के साथ, यही प्रॉब्लम करा है तुम लोगों ने.
Ma'am, actually, जिस दिन ये announce हुआ था उस दिन we all were, I guess, not present. So I
मेरा
yesterday
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
yeah, that I understand.
आपका प्रॉब्लम है.
Agreed, ma'am. Agreed. No
वो
problem.
मेरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
We are really sorry on behalf of my whole group. I'm really sorry that I'm not able to present on the context.
Anything else?
Ma'am, I would like to tell you a conclusion about the total case study about it.
Yeah, please.
The company is trying to increase the customer by giving them a comfort zone at a place. The growth of the company is increasing by providing the rooms in a less price and a good place. Oyo business model is a mixture of platform and brand with an aggressive expansion. Company managed to build several products and acquire several brands under it. this sort of business strategy, while working extremely well to dominate the market, might also get very risky when the market contracts. Ma'am, that's it, ma'am.